Hey guys, Rick Knight here. Thanks for joining me. So I have this knife here. It's like a little switchblade. Well, whatever you want to call it, a flipper. And it has disposable blades. And I thought, well, instead of just throwing these blades away after they get dull, and they're quite flexible, almost like a spring steel. Maybe they, I don't know if it's real surgical steel or whatever you want to call it, but it gave me an idea. And the idea was to make it into a pick. Now we got a little switchblade pick, and I even saved a bit of the knife on it, so you can actually see here. Cuts paracord, so it's sharp, and I have a 5-pin ISEO. I forget how to pronounce that darn thing, but it's a little what do you call it? A Euro. You can see it's locked up tight, and thought we'd try picking it with this. There we go. Super easy. You can see the cylinders open there. Close it back up. See, it's locked up. I'm not gonna gut this because honestly, it feels like I don't think I have anything that I could use to gut it to take it apart. But it gets my point across. Kind of a cool little idea. Something a little different. Switchblade pick and knife. What do you guys think? Alright guys, that's all I got. If you're sticking around, really appreciate you. Catch you on the flip side.